Welcome to KSRIS Academy, and now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 29 September 2021. Lockdown slowed green energy push. So green energy and renewable energy. So renewable energy and it is derived from sources that can never be depleted when used, like solar, wind, etc. The lockdown slowed renewable energy installations in the country, and the pace of such installations is lagging India's 2022 target. So Institute for Energy Economics and Financial Analysis ఇచ్చిన రిపోర్ట్ ప్రకారం ఇండియాలో రెన్యూబుల్ ఎనర్జీ ఇన్స్టలేషన్స్ అనేవి స్లో అయిపోయాయి అండ్ దీనివల్ల ఇండియాస్ 2022 టార్గెట్ కూడా ల్యాగ్ అవుతుంది. ఇండియా 2022 లోపు 175 gigawatts of renewable energy and 2030 లోపు 450 gigawatts of renewable energy ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తా అని చెప్పారు. But in the end of financial year 2020 to 2021, only 7 gigawatts of renewable capacity మనం ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయగలిగాం. సెంట్రల్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ అథారిటీ ఇచ్చిన డేటా ప్రకారం ఇండియా 100 gigawatts of solar energy capacity and 40 gigawatts of rooftop solar and 60 gigawatts of ground mounted utility scale 2030 లోపు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. అండ్ ఈ స్టడీ ప్రకారం అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ పవర్ ట్రేడెడ్ కూడా 2020లో 20% పెరిగింది అండ్ 2019లో 37% అండ్ 2018లో 30% పెరిగింది. And this analysis shows coal stocks hit a new record high of 1,320 lakh tons at the end of 2020 to 2021 and exceeded the monthly averages of the previous 5 years. So imported coal prices have been rising in the past few months, especially after the resurging demand after the pandemic. Imported coal prices kuda perugutunnai pandemic valla, especially in emerging Asian markets such as China and India, but also in Japan, South Korea, Europe and US. ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ సిస్టమ్స్ కి కూడా ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ ఇంకా డైనమిక్ జనరేషన్ సొల్యూషన్స్ కావాలని స్టడీ చెప్తోంది, సచ్ as బ్యాటరీ స్టోరేజ్, పంప్డ్ హైడ్రో స్టోరేజ్, పీకింగ్ గ్యాస్ ఫైర్డ్ కెపాసిటీ అండ్ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్స్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ కోల్ ఫ్లీట్. SEBI clears norms for gold exchange. So Security and Exchange Board of India This has been set up in the year 1992 following the SEBI Act 1992. So its objective is to protect the interest of investors and also it regulates and promotes security market. So recently, Securities and Exchange Board of India approved the framework for gold exchange as well as for the vault managers, facilitating trading in securities tied to yellow metal. It paves the way for gold exchanges to be set up for trading in electronic gold receipts. Electronic gold receipts form the gold exchanges అనేవి చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజెస్ ఈ ట్రేడింగ్ కి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయొచ్చని సెబీ డిక్లేర్ చేశారు. And the denomination for trading the EGRs and conversion of EGRs into gold would be decided by the exchanges with the approval of SEBI. EGR holders వాళ్ళ EGRs ని సరెండర్ చేసి వాల్స్ లో నుంచి గోల్డ్ కలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. And also vault managers would be responsible for the storage and safekeeping of gold deposits, creation of EGRs, withdrawal of gold, grievance addressal and periodic reconciliation of physical gold with the records of depository. The value manager would have to have a net worth of at least 50 crore. So value manager ki minimum net worth 50 crores varaku undali. 60 species identified in Aravallis in Haryana's first butterfly survey. So Haryana State's Forest and Wildlife Department oka butterfly survey ni conduct chesaru in around Rewari's coal block on Tuesday. The survey conducted in a contiguous stretch in 10 villages, which includes Paldra, Basduda, Kol, Maneti, Balki, Majra, Nanda, Belwari, Arod, and Kaleta, which are spread over 1,000 hectares, was conducted to chalk out a strategy for conservation of butterflies and moths in Aravallis. So, butterflies and moths ni conserve cheyadaniki oka strategy develop cheyadaniki ee survey అనేది కండక్ట్ చేశారు. 60 species of butterflies, including small branded swift, Indian skyper, conjoined swift, lesser grass blue, gram blue, tiny grass blue, small cupid, plains cupid, oriental grass jewel, pea blue, Indian red flash, African barbel, common pirate, grounded pirate were identified in the area during one-day survey. Common albatross, one of the rarely sighted butterflies, was also sighted in this area. The survey coincided with butterfly month, which is from September 5th to October 5th. Thank you.